See me, but we are at the trailhead, Lonesome Lake trailhead. I am a little late, so I don't know if I'll get to the summit before the sun rises. I got about, I don't know, like half hour before the sun rises, so get as high as I can, see if I can get to a lookout before the sun rises so I can get some good views. Headed up the Lonesome Lake trail, and it's dark as here I am. It's actually pretty light out, but this camera's not picking it up, so keep moving. So there wasn't much of a sunrise yet. I'm getting to a spot, oh, kind of steep right here. I'm getting to a spot where I can see the ridge lines and stuff. Sun still hasn't come up over this ridge line here, this Franconia Ridge. So hopefully I'll get some good views when that comes up, but I've only been climbing for about an hour. Not even really. And yeah, just excited to get there. Taking my first little break here. I'm getting some sugar in me, some carbs, some water, and I got about 0.8 left to the summit. It's up there. And it's pretty much straight up. So I was feeling a little carb depleted, so getting my carbs in. Come on, push the steep part. Push to the summit. How those held in there? That's pretty cool. Found the steep stuff. About 8 o'clock and wham! Mount Lafayette Canyon right here. I am almost to the summit, and I mean, not beautiful sunrise weather, but definitely still gonna be able to get some good views, as you can see. But as you can hear, the wind is really blowing, and it is cold. It's probably 30 degrees, maybe low 30s. See those trees up there? Sorry for the wind. Freezing cold. Wind is probably gusting 50 to 60 miles an hour. Definitely a steady 30-mile-an-hour wind. We are right up here on Kinsman Ridge. Check this out. Hell yeah. Woo! Wind is really whipping. I think I'm going up there. I don't know if the camera's doing this any justice, but this wind is really whipping. Almost there, like 100 more yards. Where the hell is the top of this mountain? There's Cannon over there. What's up, Cannon? Look at this.